Hello my lovely viewer, welcome to Sifa's Corner. Today I'm creating this bright bold royal blue and purple smoky eye for Eid. This is a collaboration between some of my fellow Bengali YouTubers, Raisa, Naz, Wasifa and Fahmida. We created our Eid looks based on different colors. So I hope you will enjoy today's collaboration. If you are new to my channel, I am Wasifa and I make weekly beauty videos with lots of tips and tricks. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button to watch videos like this every week. Let's get started. I have done my brows and eye priming off camera. Now I am using this black gel liner as the base of my eyeshadows. This black base will make my eyeshadows more vibrant and bold looking. I am taking a scotch tape and taking off the stickiness on the back of my hands. I am using this to create an elongated V shape and a clean outer corner. I am using this beautiful metallic royal blue shade and patting it on the black base. After covering the black base, I am gradually extending the blue shadow on my crease area. I will suggest to use a smaller brush when working with bright, bold shades. I have found that it makes the process easier. Now, I am using this smaller pencil brush and using this shimmery purple. I am adding the purple on the outer corner. As you can see, I am just patting and adding the color on the outer corner and the crease area. To blend the harsh purple shadow, I am using this small blending brush from Makeup Geek. I have taken a little bit of the purple shadow on the brush and blending out the edges. Now I am taking this light warm brown. This color is almost similar to my skin and I am using it to blend out the edges of the dark shadows. Actually, you can also use your powder foundation or any pressed powder for this step. I am using this metallic pink shadow and with a small blending brush, I am adding it on the inner corner along the bridge of my nose. It will give a pretty pop of pinkish purple color. Then I am using this matte black shadow and gradually darkening along the lash line. It will create a nice depth when I am going to do the liner later on. After that, I am using my Sigma blending brush with a little bit of the black shadow. I am using this to smoke out the outer corner as softly as possible. Next, I am doing my eyeliner. As you can see, I am making it quite elongated today. The scotch tape here will help me to get a clean line. This is a great tip for those who loves a winged liner but have trouble doing so. I am using the same Inglot liner on my lower waterline. Inglot gel liner works amazingly well on waterline. Once it sets, the liner will not budge at all. I am going to wear the false lashes off camera. After putting on the lashes, I felt like the pink is not showing enough, so I added the pink shadow on the inner corner again. Now, I am using the blue shadow again on the lower lash line. I am just keeping the inner 1/3 bare. For the rest of the lash line, I am patting the blue shadow on top of the black base. Then, I am taking the matte black and smudging out the outermost corner along the wing area. Next, I am taking this small Real Technique brush and the purple shadow. I am placing this color on the outer third of my lower lash line and smudging it with the blue shadow. It will create a beautiful gradient effect. Then I am using this rose gold shimmery shadow with the smallest pencil brush I could find. I am adding this color on the inner third and around the tear duct area. I am mixing this color with the pink shadow I placed earlier. So the eyes are almost done. For the face, I am using my favorite drugstore combo, e.l.f. Hydrating Primer and Neutrogena Skin Clearing Foundation. I am using my trusty Michael Todd Sonic Blend brush to blend the foundation on my face, neck, ears and chest area for a seamless finish. Next, I am using MAC Conceal and Correct to conceal the dark areas and also highlight the face. As you can see, I am highlighting my face quite heavily today, and as the eyes are dramatic, I want it to be the focus of the face. So after highlighting and blending, I am setting the cream products with Neutrogena pressed powder. I am not using the baking technique today. I am just pressing on those areas where my foundation or concealer creases and gets shiny as the day goes on. Okay, now I am using this matte off-white shade to highlight under the brow bones. It will give a nice lift and clean up any excess shadows. Then I am finishing my eyes with a coat of mascara. Now my favorite part, contouring. I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills Clay Powder today. I am using my most used Sigma small contour brush for the process. Many of you have asked me to do a separate video for contouring, so please let me know in the comment box below what would you like to see or learn in a contouring video. Should I make it a contour highlight detailed video? Or should I make it a contour versus bronzing video? Let me know. Now to highlight, I am showing you two options. As Urban Decay Beauty Beam is a limited edition product, you can easily use LANCOME Sparkling Peach. These two shades look almost similar on my tanned brown skin. After highlighting my face, I am using Clinique Fig Pop as my blush today. If you like a soft natural color for our desi tanned brown skin, this blush is just perfect. For the lips today, I am using only one product. Shocking, I know. This is Taupe from MAC, and from the size of the product, you can get the idea that it's one of my most used products. I just love the color, and this is what I wore on my wedding. So yeah, it's a pretty special color. Now to take off any excess powder, I am using e.l.f. post-workout spray. Today I am going to show you the easiest hairdo of the planet. Take a rat tail comb, do a middle part on your hair, and then do a low ponytail. Now take the ponytail and wrap it like this. Secure it with bobby pins and spray some hairspray. I am loosening some of the hair for a softer look. And here is the completed look. The saree was a gift from my mother-in-law, and I love how the shadows are matching the saree exactly. I hope you enjoyed today's work. If you did, please show your support by hitting the like and subscribe button below. Have a great Eid with your loved ones. Eid Mubarak. Till my next one, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and stay with Sifa's Corner.